Well, as the clock struck midnight, the world stepped into 2026 in a blaze of light, colour and celebration. From Paris, when the fireworks shimmered over the Arc de Triomphe, to in fact London's Thames lighting up the skyline. From Sydney's iconic harbour to dazzling drone and firework shows in Qatar. Bangkok, Vietnam, China and Malaysia were also not far behind. The new year arrived with spectacle and song. Even as Hong Kong marked a quieter countdown, cities across the globe sparkled with hope. In India, faith and festivity came together with prayers at the Kashi Vishwanath, Mahakal, the Golden Temple, Siddhi Vinayak and even the Govind Dev Ji. Celebrations from Udaipur to Kolkata and devotees welcoming the year with devotion. While 2026 is here, united by joy, belief and new beginnings.